Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Amazon refund money to bank account problem. If you've been waiting for a refund from Amazon and it hasn't shown up in your bank account yet, this guide will walk you through exactly how to track it down and resolve the issue. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, move your mouse up to the top right corner where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Your Orders. This is where you'll find all your purchase history and any items you've returned. Now, although I don't have any refunded orders to show you right now, I'll walk you through what you need to do next. Once you're in your orders, scroll through and find the specific order that was refunded. Next to that order, you should see an option that says either View Refund Status or Refund Order Details. Click on that to get more information about your refund. Here's where things get important. You need to carefully check the refund status. Look for the date when the refund was issued and pay attention to the refund method listed. It will typically say something like Original Payment Method or Amazon Balance. You'll also see the expected processing time, which is usually 3 to 5 business days for bank refunds. Make a note of this because it helps you understand when you should actually expect to see the money. Before assuming there's a problem, click on Check Your Amazon Balance. You can find this under Account and Lists, then select your Amazon balance. Sometimes Amazon refunds money to your account balance first instead of your bank, so it's worth checking here to see if the funds are sitting there. Next, you want to verify that the payment method Amazon has on file actually matches your bank account. Go back to Account and Lists, then click on Your Payments. From there, select the card or bank account you used for the original purchase and confirm that all the details are correct. If the account information is outdated or wrong, that could be why your refund hasn't arrived. Now comes the waiting part. You need to wait 3 to 5 business days from the date the refund was issued. During this time, check your bank app or statement regularly for any pending transactions or ACH deposits. Amazon uses ACH for bank refunds, so that's what you should be looking for in your transaction history. If it's been more than 5 business days and you still don't see the refund, it's time to contact your bank. Log into your bank's website or app and search for disputed transactions or missing deposits. You can also call your bank's support line directly. When you do, have the refund date, the exact amount, and your Amazon order ID ready to provide to them. This information will help them trace the transaction. If your bank can't find the refund, then it's time to reach out to Amazon support. Go back to your orders, find the order in question, and click on Problem with Order. From there, select Request Refund Status Help. Alternatively, you can go to the Help section, click Contact Us, and choose either chat or phone support. When you get connected, provide them with your order ID and the refund date so they can investigate what happened. By following these steps, you should be able to track down your missing refund and get it sorted out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.